Hello, magandang gabi sa inyo muli mga kapugo. Natatawa ko si Chiro ko. Meron akong bagong wig. Kasi bagong gupit ako, mukha akong pugo, nakakaya eh. Siya nga pala, ngayong gabi, meron akong bagong tutorial yun. MEP Revit tutorial number 8. And yung creating pipe tagging and annotation. Sa mga hindi nakaka-relate sa akin, pagbigyan nyo na ako. Sa mga kaibigan ko dyan, kahit di ako naintindihan, intindihin nyo rin ako. Ito kasi mga content ko is para sa mga engineers, engineering students, electrical, mechanical, and also pwede rin ito sa mga MEP engineers. Anyway, bago ako magsimula ng aking tutorial, meron ako laging inihahandang ulam. Kasi nyo makita naman ang aking ulam? Namimiss nyo ang aking ulam ngayong gabi. Papakita ko sa inyo. Sandali lang. 1 minute. Bang! Yan. Eto na siya ang aking ulam. Ang ulam ko ay isang pirasong manok. Pag sinabing isang pirasong manok ang ulam ko, ibig sabihin, iglipitan na yung mga araw na to. Alam niyo na kung bakit? Yan. Bakit kailangan yung medical? Bakit may biogenesis? Sa mga nakapulod na ng aking video, alam niyo na kung bakit merong, nagbababa ko lang to. Alam niyo na kung bakit merong biogenesis. Kaya lagi akong ulam ko lagi ay mayroong ulam na isang manok na panggipitan at merong biogenesis. Kasi sa mga bago, alamin nyo kung bakit kailangan nyo minom ng biogenesis. Sa mga dati nang nanonood sa akin, alam na this kung bakit merong biogenesis. Okay? Pero hindi ako magbababay dahil ang aking video at ang aking babay ay dun sa dulong ng aking MEP tutorial. Come on, mga kapugo! Let's go! Good morning again sa inyo mga kapugo. I'm here again in front of the camera. My MEP tutorial is about the different type of piping annotation. This is the tutorial number 8 and then become vlog number 67. So this is my sample model for the piping showing the different type of annotation. First is this is the default annotation from the Revit, and this is the modified piping annotation. I have 4 types: 1, 2, 3, and 4. First one is only the piping system. The second one is the piping system with the system type and the elevation. The third one is only the piping with the annotations of to above and from below. And the last one is the annotations with the elevation including the pipe insulation. This one with insulation. Okay, let's start. We will use this piping model. This model is under piping coloring system. Already discussed in the, I think this one is tutorial number 6 under vlog 65 or 64, I guess. And then this is our sample, my sample for to create the piping annotation. So in order to create for the piping annotation, we will create first the floor plans for the piping annotation. Just duplicate with detailing, rename, okay. Do that from here. So we will delete this one. Okay, let's start. Type TG to create the piping annotation. As you can see, if you type TG, there is no loaded annotation tag. So if we want to load for the annotation tag, G, and then we will create yes, and then after that we will use the looking for the metric annotation, look for the mechanical pipe size tag, and then it's okay already. Okay, since we already created loaded the mechanical pipe tags, type TG again, and then pick from here to here. This is the default pipe size annotation, pipe size tag annotation. This is the default one. We will modify this pipe size tag according to our text height. The text height is about 6 mm. Here, you can edit modify this pipe size tag. Just click and then edit family, pipe BG, show the reference plane and reference line, click apply, okay. We will create first the pipe with the bottom with the elevation from here, click and then edit. After that, click the diameter, one diameter, and then add parameters label. So must bring up, and then the system type. Then the comments. This comment is the comment is you can input the description or additional information from the piping. Looking for the comments. Okay, here. And then bottom of pipe. I think the size is we don't need the size because we already have the diameter. Because if we choose the diameter, you can modify the size of the ducting. Okay, we remove this one. But the bottom of pipe is missing here. We want the same like this. We want the bottom of pipe here. But if you look for the category parameters, you cannot see the bottom of pipe. So we will create the bottom of pipe by clicking the add calculated parameter to level. Just click, then bottom of pipe. This is very, very important. And then under the discipline, I have a sample here. The discipline is piping and the type is dimension. This is the formula. Okay. So from the discipline, type, choose the piping, type, choose the pipe dimension, and then the formula is end offset. End offset minus outside diameter divided by 2. This is the formula to create the bottom of pipe. Apply. Okay, just okay, and then apply. Okay. Now the type is like this. So we must create the. We will arrange the what you call this, the arrangements of the pipe according to the. There is a break here, number 2 and number 3. So from here, we will change the text height. Must edit, duplicate, then 6.0. We will change into 6 mm. So 6 mm. Usually, aerial narrow, and then the width factor 0.8. now the sample. So from this one, we must break the system type and documents. So edit label, and then there is no system type here. It should be this one system type. We will change the system type. This one system type here, and then up here. Diameter, system type, comments, and then check the system type and comments. Check the break. Apply. Okay. After that, we choose this one to left or right. I think we will use the right. Okay. After that, save as. Okay, I think this one it's up to you what should be the file name. Then 6.0.0 option 1. Now we go, after that, load into the project parameters here. It is already loaded, but our piping annotation from here. Okay. Now type TG again. Sorry. Type TG, and then from here to here. Now we are not. Now the piping system annotation already complete, but there is a missing BOP here. But before we do that, we will add the arrowhead 30, I guess. Okay. So in order to include the BOP, this one with the BOP, back again to the from here, edit family, edit label, and then we must add the BOP here, meaning bottom of pipe. Apply, and then from here again we must create this one for the diameter. So how to create the diameter? From the character map, you can copy here, select, copy, and then Ctrl V. Okay, and then load into the project. Okay. I think we must arrange the, because this one is sprinkler, but meaning the box is not properly arranged. From here, load again. Alright. Oh, see, now we have now the bottom of pipe. This is the pipe size, and this is the system type with the BOP. So next is the bottom pipe size only. This one is only the pipe size. So we can now delete this thing. This is the default one. Okay, from here again, edit family, and then save as first, family, and then this one is array. It depends on you how the what is the file names. So this one we will make additional information. This one is pipe only. Save. Since we need only the pipes only, from edit label, we remove this one because we want only the pipe stem. Size only. So this is the parameters for the pipe size only. Size, system type, and comments. Okay. And level, you put the comma here. Okay, load. So type TG again, but this is pipe size only usually used in the riser. So since there is no riser here, we will create the piping here, riser. Make a section only, just to create the riser. From here. This types of piping with the elbow I already discussed in my previous vlog. Now we have the pipe riser here. Let's type TG again from here, and then edit type, and then the arrowhead must be 30. Apply OK. Since this riser must be like to above from below. To above, and then below is from below. Okay. So we will add the comments here. From here, just double click here. Click only one time. Sorry. Okay. Once you click this one, you can see the comments. You can type to above and from below. As simple as that. Like this. If you want these annotations, one line only. Edit family. Go to the edit family. Just expand only the one, and then load again. Okay, never mind. This one is I think I double check this one. I think there is no break here. I say one line only. Should be like this. Okay. Back to our model. Double click here. Sorry. Edit family. Under edit level, uncheck this one. Become one line only, and then reload again. Override. That's it. This one is usually used for the pipe riser here, and this one used with the elevation. So another elevation here is with the insulation. You change only the transparency of the insulation, pipe insulation. Pipe insulation, I think must be 50%. Okay. Again the pipe insulation by 50%. Apply. Okay. Bring down. With the pipe insulation here, and then Sorry, I make this section to create the elbow. Okay. Here again, add insulation. 40 mm. And then, okay. For the pipe insulation, edit family again, and then save as. Make this one with the plus pipe insulation. So under for the parameters of pipe insulation, you will change the BOP, the formula from end of set outside diameter by 2 minus 40 because the thickness of the insulation is minus 40. This is with the insulation. Okay. Okay, edit this one, edit again the level. Then from the bottom of pipe, click the edit calculated parameter, and then we will change to end of set outside diameter. We will include the minus 40. Apply. Okay. After that, we go to the, after we modify the bottom of pipe, I will double check bottom of pipe. Okay, minus 40. Okay, load to the family, go to the model. Now type TG again for the type TG. From here with the bottom of pipe. Okay, this is the bottom of pipe for the insulation. Annotation for the piping with insulation. This is, see, the elevation is here. But if we will use the TG, if we will use the pipe insulation only, see, this one is the pipe insulation. We correct this one. Okay, I will show you the difference with the parameters of pipe insulation without pipe insulation in, without pipe insulation. Okay, this one is the, as you can see, this is a pipe size tag, but no insulation. This one is a pipe size tag with insulation, meaning the elevation is different. Okay, so this is the elevation with the pipe insulation. From here, we will try the make a dimension here from the bottom of the pipe with insulation, then PDI for the dimension, and then tab to go to the bottom of pipe with insulation. From here, to here. So this elevation is from the pipe insulation, while the other pipes type DI, and then tab from here. See, this is elevation for the piping without insulation. So the elevation for the piping with insulation and without piping is different. So take note the formula for the pipe insulation. This is the sample of parameters for with the insulation -40. Another one is make it bigger. Okay, so this one, see, this one is end offset minus outside diameter divided by 2 is for the pipe elevation without pipes without insulation. Another formula is end offset minus outside diameter divided by 2 blah blah, and then -40 for the piping with insulation. Take note these formulas. Okay. So to fit. Okay, that's all folks for the creations of the piping annotation. I hope you learned something from my video, but if you don't understand or if you are confused, you can download my video, and then you can pause, and then or you can review to understand the proper the modification of the piping tagging. Okay, that's it folks. I hope you learned something from me. And again, to all the MEP engineers, electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, or even the engineering students wishes to wants to learn the Revit, you can recommend my channel so I can help from by continue uploading the tutorial. So far, this is my topic, and then the next tutorial is about the elevation for the ducting. That's all folks, and see you again, and goodbye.